Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn about the chamfer tool. While a fillet creates rounded geometry, a chamfer basically chops a corner off. Here's the tool. You create a chamfer in one of two ways. Either specify two distances or a distance and an angle. Let's try distance first. Right-click and select distance. Now let's enter a value, let's say 1 unit. Press Enter to accept. And let's specify the second chamfer distance. Let's say 2 units. Press Enter. The first distance of 1 unit is applied to the first line we select. The second distance of 2 units is applied to the second line we select. There's our preview. Left-click to accept the chamfer. And let's undo it. Activate the tool again. Right-click, select distance. Enter a value of 1 unit. 2 units for the second distance. Enter. I'm going to select the same lines, but from the opposite side. And here's our second chamfer. Let's undo that. This time we'll try the distance angle option. Activate the tool. Right-click, scroll to angle. Specify chamfer length on the first line. Let's enter 1 unit. Press Enter. Now specify chamfer angle from the first line. Let's say 30 degrees and Enter. And let's make our selections. First line, there's the preview. Second line, here's the chamfer. The distance and the angle are applied to the first line we selected. Let's undo. Activate the chamfer command again. Let's right-click and select distance. For the first distance, 1 unit. For the second distance, 2 units. Right-click and select multiple. First line and second line. In multiple mode, the tool remains active. Let's select again. Here's our second chamfer. If you want sharp corners, press down the Shift key and make your selections. And last corner here. Now let's see how chamfers work with polylines. Let's activate the polyline tool. Create some geometry here. Right-click and close. Now let's activate the chamfer tool. For distance 1, 1 is specified. Distance 2, 2 units is specified. Let's right-click and select Polyline. When I mouse over the entity, I see a preview. Left-click to accept these chamfers. And AutoCAD applies the chamfer to all vertices of the polyline. This concludes our lesson about the chamfer command.